Okay, hi guys. So in today's video we're just going to show you how to replace an old pine freestanding wardrobe for a sort of modern looking industrial hanging rail setup that you might have seen in shops or other retail outlets. So we're going to put a wall-to-wall hanging rail in using some scaffolding pole. So first step is taking down the old pine wardrobe. So we're going to have a vertical piece, we're going to have a piece there back to the wall, and then we're going to have another piece going straight back to the wall to form the hanging rail. So we've got several fittings, and we've got these feet, slot onto the end of your pole, like that, have them on either end, like that. And then we've also got these brackets as well, which just slide out and everything clamps on with this Allen key. So yeah, let's see if we can get this hanging rail up and running. Right, so as you can see, we've managed to find one of the first scaffolding poles that we're going to erect. So here I am faffing around with my pole. I measured all these poles up beforehand, before I put the order in. I ordered these online on a website, and they will actually cut the scaffold poles specifically to length. I was prepared to get my 4-inch angle grinder out and start cutting them down to size, but the website provided a free cutting service. So I went back up with my tape measure, and hopefully I've measured all these poles to exactly the right height. So as you can see now, I'm just trying to line up the first vertical pole. I've put the two end caps on. There's two fittings to go on either end of this pole, and there's actually a fitting to go in the middle that then holds the crossbar, and then that then mounts to the main hanging rail. So yeah, I'm just trying to get everything lined up. I'm hoping that I've measured the pole to the right length, and in theory it should just wedge in between the floor and the ceiling and hold there while I can get some screws in and fix it securely. Right, so as you can see, we're now up to the stage where we've fitted our pole from floor to ceiling, and I don't know who measured it, but they've done a damn good job. So that fits snugly there. So I've wedged that in, and then I've also fitted the crossbar going off the vertical pole, and that's got the attachment on the end to join into the wall. And that crossbar's also got like an attachment for connecting the main hanging rail. So everything's just wedged in position at the moment. I'm going to try the long hanging rail just to see if I've set the pole the right distance from the back wall, and it's all just sort of loosely held in place. I've put one screw in just to secure it so it doesn't fall on me while I get everything set up, and then once I've set it all up and I'm happy with the way everything looks, I'll put the final screws in and secure it into position. So now you can see we've got all our main stanchions up, we've got our vertical piece, we've got our cross rail fitted, and we've got our main extended long hanging rail fitted for maximum hanging rail storage. Now we've got all our frame assembled. We're just checking it with the spirit level. We've made sure that everything's level, we've made sure that our stanchion's plumb, and we're going to just check that the hanging rail is an equal distance from the back wall all the way along. And then once we're happy with how it's all looking, it's all plumb level and everything's lined up, we'll then put a couple of screws in to tack it, and then we'll put all our final screws in to really secure everything into position so it doesn't fall down. And then yeah, that'll be the project completed, and we'll have to start sticking some clothes back on.